Hello, this is an explanation video for Tuesday, February 16th. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your 3-day weekend with President's Day. So for today, you are going to come down to the module folder, module A and B, and we are here in week 2, February 15 through 19. And so this week, day 1 is actually Tuesday. Normally, day 1 is Monday, but this week, the first day of class is Tuesday. So you click here, February 16, Tuesday. Let's look at the sync first. So today, during our sync Zoom session, we will talk about how we are feeling. We will discuss the importance of communication in breakout rooms and watch a video about empathy. Then we will preview some grammar, specifically sentence fragments. This is where we will go to look at that presentation, this link here. Then we will review today's async assignment and tomorrow's async assignment. Because on Wednesday, we do not have our Zoom session. It's an async day. So let's look at what we have. So this is where we discuss how we are feeling. So we're going to think about words that can describe how we are feeling. Okay. So we're going to use this website called Jamboard. So if you click here, it takes you to Jamboard. Okay, and Jamboard is a website that everybody can share and write information from separate computers. So I want you to write some words that explain how you feel today. And the way to use Jamboard is to use these buttons here on the left. The most helpful one is this one in the middle that says sticky notes. So you click on this and then you can type in your sticky notes. So if I am feeling excited, I will type in excited and then save. And then when I'm done, I click on the document and I can move this around. I can make it bigger, I can do a lot of things. And then everybody can add their word onto this Jamboard. Okay. Now, coming back here to our Schoology page, there's another website that can help you to come up with some helpful words. So you click here for some ideas. And here we have a list of adjectives that can describe how you feel. So if you come here, describe a positive feeling. So if you're feeling good today, you can use one of these. Or one of these, describe a positive emotion. So appreciative, blissful, contented, ecstatic. These are all positive feelings. If you're feeling some negative emotions today, that's okay. But I want to help you find the correct word to describe how you feel. So these ones in the middle are negative words. So describe a negative feeling in this one. And then here, describe a negative emotion. Okay, so here we have angry, disenchanted, distressed, glum. So you can look at this to help you find some good words for the Jamboard. And when you have your words, you can put them on here. You only need to put 1 or 2 words. Okay, also today for the sync session, we will discuss communication. We'll talk about netiquette and some strategies you can use to have good netiquette during an online class. And then we will discuss empathy. We'll watch this video here. If you click on the link, you can see the video. Okay. And we will watch this video about empathy. Okay. And then we will discuss these questions. In your own words, discuss the difference between empathy and sympathy. How are they different? What do you think of her idea that when someone has a problem, it's not always a good idea to give them a solution or tell them to look on the bright side or say, well, at least. So you'll discuss these questions based on what you saw in the video. Okay, finally, to preview the grammar for sentences versus fragments, we're going to click here for the slides. So this is some grammar that will help us to write good sentences. So we will go over this today during class, and it will help you prepare for the async activity you will do after class about sentences and fragments. So that's it for the sync. Let's look at the async today. So here we go, async. So the first thing is sorting and categorizing. So you're going to click here to open the activity. So here we have two categories, during the pandemic and before the pandemic. Maybe I'll put them this way, before and during. So celebrate birthdays on Zoom. Was that before the pandemic or during the pandemic? I think the answer is during the pandemic. That is when people really started to celebrate birthdays on Zoom. And so for each one of these, you will decide which column it belongs in, and you will sort all of them so that they go where they belong. Okay, and these are not the correct answers. I'm just showing how it should look, right? All the answers should be either here on one side or here on the other side. Then the other async assignment is a Nearpod. This is a very helpful website that helps to give new information and to give you quizzes to help you learn about this new information. So you want to make sure to write your name. And here's the information about sentences and fragments. So you click through here, you'll see explanation of what's a sentence, what is a fragment, how to tell the difference. Okay. And you want to look closely at this information. And then here we have a little question to help show your understanding. Okay. After you write your answer, you press submit. Then you keep on moving to the next one. More information about fragments. More information. Here is a little video, which is not showing up, so I'll make sure to look at that closely. And then more information, and then here's another question for you. Okay, so after you finish, you will watch this video. Okay, and then you'll keep going all the way to the end. Okay, here's another question activity, and then another quiz, and that is the end. Okay, so it gives you information, and then you have to answer questions to show your understanding. So that is it for today's async assignment. Please do your best, and thank you for watching, and best of luck.